so fine, your kiss is one of a kind. Beauty and charm, let's walk arm in arm and hold tight and never let go. Oh, sweet love, I knew when I laid eyes on you, and you felt what I felt too. One single glance led to romance.
Good evening. It's Wednesday, February 10, 2021 here in Cebu City. I'm Cherry Ann Lim, and this is SunStar Tonight. Cebu Governor Gwendolyn Garcia has claimed that some quarantine and isolation facilities are taking advantage of Philhealth's health package for COVID-19. However, an isolation center in Cebu City has denied the allegation. Shari Coronel reports.
Cebu Governor Gwendolyn Garcia has expressed concern that some quarantine and isolation facilities for COVID-19 patients are now becoming a lucrative business due to a health package being offered by the state health insurance, Philhealth.
Cover all services, medicines, diagnostics provided for the circular and other operating expenses. To support delivery of care, including hiring of additional personnel, internet subscription, service provider subscription fee, and IT hardware. Okay, pwede butangag Netflix po no, ang isolation. Any remaining fund may be utilized for incentives for human resource involved in its operation and or with sharing based on internal guidance. Para nis government facility. For private healthcare facilities, that means may ni private kay way tubagunon, di ba? Pero once magpa-accredit ka sa Philhealth, reimbursement shall be utilized at their discretion, provided that they shall also be used to cover cost of delivering the services. Ana ra kamo bo? At their discretion, basta kay
Philhealth's Community Isolation Benefit Package provides health benefits for those being quarantined for COVID-19. All public or private-run facilities certified by the Department of Health as community isolation units in response to the COVID-19 pandemic are covered by the said benefit. Corresponding reimbursement rate is a maximum of 22,449 pesos per claim. The governor believed that the increasing number of COVID-19 cases in some parts of the country are due to isolation facilities taking advantage of the Philhealth's health package. NOAA Complex Manager Joy Pesquera disagreed to the claim of the governor. Pesquera said processing of Philhealth claim alone is eating much of their time and with no action taken by Philhealth office. She added of the 2,000 patients in NOAA complex, only about 300 claims were considered qualified. For their entire operation starting July 1, 2020, she said Philhealth paid only one claim. Dina Sinches, the public relations officer of Philhealth Central Visayas, said benefit claims filed to Philhealth by community isolation units will be paid, provided they meet the clinical and social criteria. Claims should also be filed within 60 calendar days upon discharge of the patients, as existing rules on the late filing of claims will apply. The claims will be paid to the CIU or through its partner facility if applicable. Chari Coronel, SunStar Tonight.
The Department of Health Central Visayas says there is no reported case of the South African variant of the coronavirus in Cebu. This comes after reports that an overseas Filipino worker who had arrived in Cebu from Dubai had tested positive for the variant. Kenneth Torres reports.
The Department of Health Central Visayas has clarified that as of now, Cebu has no case of the South African COVID-19 variant. This is contrary to the rumors that a 54-year-old male overseas Filipino worker from Dubai has tested positive for the said variant. DOH Central Visayas spokesperson Dr. Merijin Loriche said that the Philippine Genome Center in Manila has not yet performed a genomic sequencing for the South African variant. The agency reported that Cebu has only one confirmed case of UK variant. Meanwhile, Octa Research Group said that Cebu City's hospital occupancy may reach a 70% critical level in 2 weeks, with the increasing new COVID-19 cases in the city. The group said as of February 7, the current hospital utilization is still manageable at 40% from 25% a month ago. If the cases continue to rise at the current transmission rate, the hospital occupancy could breach the 70% critical level. Octa reported that in June to July 2020 surge in Cebu City, the city averaged to 167 new COVID-19 cases daily at its peak, while the current average is 130 additional cases daily. However, DOH Central Visayas disagrees with the data reported by Octa. Cebu City has recorded 249 new COVID-19 cases on February 9. The city now has 2,465 total active cases. Kenneth Torres, SunStar Tonight.
Talisay City Mayor Samsam Gullas has tested positive for the coronavirus disease. Chari Coronel reports.
Talisay City Mayor Gerald Anthony Samsam Gullas Jr. has confirmed that he tested positive for COVID-19. In a Facebook post, the mayor said he experienced symptoms of COVID-19 such as sore throat, body aches, and cough Tuesday morning. He immediately underwent a swab test and the result came out positive. Gullas said since yesterday he is living apart from his family while all of his household members are undergoing quarantine. He assured that his absence will not hamper the city government's operations. Based on the data from the Talisay City Public Information Office as of February 8, the city has 1,328 total COVID-19 cases, 151 of which were active cases. Total recoveries reached 1,073, while total deaths now at 104. Other Cebu mayors who had also contracted coronavirus were Lapu-Lapu City Mayor Jonard Ahong-Chan, the Valentine Mayor San Shimura, then Barili Mayor Marlon Garcia, Tuburan Mayor Danilo Diamante, San Fernando Mayor Lacambini Riloya, Asturias Mayor Jose Antonio Pintor, and Alcoy Mayor Michael Sistoso. Chari Coronel, SunStar Tonight.
More establishments are offering great deals for Chinese New Year and Valentine's Day. Tiffany Neri, tell us more.
Happy Valentine's Day and Happy Chinese New Year to you all. What are your plans this week? If you don't have any yet, check this out. Let's start off welcoming the Year of the Ox in an extraordinary way with B Resort Mactan. On February 11 and 12, check out their Laureate-style dinner at the Salt Restaurant. For Valentine's, you can have a 5-course romantic dinner by the beach with wine and a serenade. The dinner and stay prices are crazy low for a night of love under the stars with your sweetheart. Crimson Resort and Spa Mactan has an auspicious feast for an auspicious start to your Lunar New Year, with a special selection and buffet arrays at Saffron Cafe from February 12 to 13 at 6 p.m. Feeling more romantic than ever? That's because love is also in the air at the Saffron Cafe on February 14, where you can feast on a special Valentine's Day dinner buffet perfect for a date with your loved ones. Lastly, Landers has a special offer for your little darlings, where you can unleash your child's creativity in the Love Landers free online Chinese New Year arts class from February 12 to 14 for kids aged 5 to 12 years old. And that's a wrap for tonight's roundup. If you didn't see yesterday's roundup, go check that out right now. Also, don't forget to like and share this video to get the word out. Once again, this is Tiffany Neri on Lifestyle for SunStar Tonight. Back to you, Cherry.
To get the latest, visit www.sunstar.com.ph. Follow us on our YouTube channel and official social media accounts on Twitter and Facebook. I'm Cherry Ann Lim, and this has been SunStar Tonight. See you again tomorrow. Good night.